Look at what I'm showing you now. These are all cases of kidney failure. I am going to show you today that kidney failure is one of the strategy they want to use to reduce population. No matter what it will take you, I beg make una listen to me. I am restless because I know a lot of things that people don't know. There are so many things they are using in order to make people have kidney failure. Now one of those things, now this apple. Most of the things they are using are things where we know they cook, and raw things. I'm going to share with you. But first, let us begin with this apple. Let me show you something they use in covering this apple. It dey like rubber. It dey like plastic. When you eat them, the body cannot digest it. So it is going to cause cancer or it's going to cause kidney failure. Watch this.
Wax.